Ben from Snowy's here, folks. Today we're checking out this companion 16,000 milliamp hour portable power bank. This is a handy little power bank that's got emergency solar charge feature, built-in LED light, multiple battery charge options, including a wireless charge feature. It's great to keep your devices charged off the grid. Now inside the box with your power bank, you get obviously the power bank itself. You get a little wrist lanyard, or quite a small lanyard there to hook or hang it on things, a clip that you can use in conjunction with that to hang it up as well, and a USB charge cable. Now the unit itself weighs about 370 grams, about 16.6 centimeters in length, 9.2 centimeters in width, and about 2 centimeters in height here. It's made from reasonably durable sort of plastic material. There are sort of little screws right around the edge here, so it's well put together and it feels nice and sturdy. In terms of features on the outside, we'll have a bit of a look at the front. Obviously solar panel on the front here. We'll talk a bit more about that shortly. On the back, just a bit of information and these rubber strips. These are just plastic strips. They're not rubber strips, but it feels quite durable. But there is a little battery charge indicator on the back here, which works in association with the power button on this side. So if we click this on, we can see that the lights on here come up, and that's now showing 2 lights, which indicates it's 25 to 50% charge. There's a little guide in the user manual to tell you what this combination of lights here means with regards to how much charge is in your battery. Now further to this, if we double click the power button on the side here, it turns on a little torch on the end here. You get about 60 hours of runtime from this, but a double click turns that, or toggles between on and off on the power bank there. Now it's a 16,000 milliamp lithium ion battery inside here, 5 volt DC, and there are various charge and output ports here. So if we look at charge options first, we'll start with the USB-C type in here. Now this is a 2 amp 5 volt charging input, and you can also charge via the type C input here, which is a different plug. It's the rounded sort of plug, and that'll charge at 5 volt 3 amps. With regards to output, back on the end here, you've got 2 standard USB-A ports here, 1 and 2, which give 1 amp and 2 amps, or if they're both plugged in, they'll give 3 amps combined out of both of them. And you've also got the output on the side here, so this is both an input and an output here, which gives 5 volts and 3 amps output. So in terms of charge times for the 16,000 milliamp hour battery inside here, it's about 6 to 8.5 hours, depending on which input that you use. But you do also have this solar panel on the front, which is for emergency charging. If you turn it on and put this in the sun, or actually you don't even need to turn it on, there is a little solar light in the end here, which is a little green light that will show you that it's charging, and that's, like I said, at 0.36 amps per hour. It's going to give you a bit of a top up, but it's not going to give the battery a full charge like a 5 volt wall socket or a USB port in a PC would do. In terms of devices you can charge from this, you can charge up to 3, or companion claim you can charge up to 3 devices through a wire or a plug on the side here at any given time, provided the battery is fully charged. But you do also have a wireless charging feature. So if we turn this over and lay it flat on the ground here and turn it on, so we press the button on the side and then grab a compatible wireless charging device, put this on top here, we can see that that will very shortly show that it's now charging, and that'll charge at about 1 amp per hour, so reasonably fast charge. So you've got 3 different wired plugs to charge from this guy, and also the wireless charge option. So quite a versatile little unit. Haven't mentioned yet, it's also IPS65 waterproof, so nice and rugged to take for camping trips anywhere you go. That is the companion 16,000 milliamp hour power bank, a really versatile little guy to keep your devices powered up when you're out in the outback, forest, wherever your adventures take you. Check them out online at snowys.com.au. If you've got any questions though, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest information, or check out some other videos like this one down here.